So there we say, sir, today my problem, updation will happen. But we want that it should happen before the conclusion of the next settlement. If it is tagged with the next settlement, it will create a huge problem for me. Because you know the settlement means next 2-3 years, how the things are progressing. We want that it should be settled as a residual issue. It is a part of residual issue. This is my challenge, which we all will have to address. And I said the logic is that my youngest member of AIBRF is 61-year-old. And if you see the oldest, maybe 94, 95, 96. Yesterday I was in Ahmedabad. One gentleman, Popatlal Bhai Shah from Central Bank, he was talking. And he says, sir, I am 98. How long you want me to wait? How long? This is my challenge. This we have to address. The updation will come. If it comes 25, it will be a different ballgame. If it comes 23, it is very important, very relevant. So the AIBRF task is to make all possible efforts at the organization level. We will create a situation of do or die, that something should come in 23. This is my challenge. 5 years back, the challenge was different. And I say, and I think all of you will subscribe, you will agree with me. Our Nayakji always say you are too much positive. When the glass is not even half full, you will say it is half full. Positivity is our strength. If I am not positive, मैं शीशे के सामने भी देखता हूँ कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत लोग पहचानते हैं मुझे. मैं खुद की सूरत देख के भी ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत पहचानते हैं मुझे. That is an example of positivity. So we have to be positive. So I can say that if your task is to reach to the 10th floor of a building, that is my target I have fixed. So I can say, and I think all will subscribe, that today we are not on the ground floor. We have reached to the 7th floor of the building. We have moved ahead on this issue, and only we have to climb, we have to go forward on 3 more floors. Though they are very challenging. After 7, the difficulties, they increase. So, updation, we are not going to sit silent. Whatever may be, support coming, welcome, not coming from others, that we will not criticize because we don't believe in the criticize. We always believe in that. सफलता तो हमें जरूर मिलेगी. सफलता तो हमें जरूर मिलेगी चाहे कितनी भी बार हम गिरे. सफलता तो हमें मिलेगी चाहे हम कितनी बार गिरे. गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से बाहर नहीं निकलते. गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से बाहर नहीं निकलते. तो हमको definitely will get the success. But only thing that we have to continue to make our efforts. We are committed. We are doing day in and day out. I will only request that you kindly visit our website aibrf.com. Recently, about 3-4 days back, we have uploaded one letter written by a very senior minister, central minister, Nitin Gadkari ji, addressed to the finance minister. Kindly read 3-4 pages, as if he is talking like a retiree, bank retiree. So much emotional, so much sentimental, loaded with that. It is, I would request, first he wrote only forwarding that letter. But now, after 2 weeks, there was a phone from the Ministry of Transport and Road that the minister has written letter, we are forwarding and keep it on your record. So the support is coming. Every day we are working. We told our state units, state committees that we forward this memorandum online to the members of parliament. But then also they did not stop there. They have about 40-50 members of parliament, our delegation from the state committee, they have met and they have submitted in person, and many members of parliament, again they are writing. Yesterday, I don't know whether it is in the domain, the Prime Minister of the country, one letter was written by Amarjit Singh. He is the minister, he is a member of parliament from Punjab. He wrote a letter. Immediately the Prime Minister, under his signature, he acknowledged that letter. He acknowledged कि हमको ऐसा पत्र आपसे प्राप्त हुआ है. So the things are moving. Only thing now at this stage we should not afford to relax. If we start relaxing, possibly having climbed to the 7th floor,